On behalf of the Tribal Council and the people of Pechanga, we're pleased and proud to once again host this important gathering of leaders from all throughout Riverside County.
With over 2 million people, we are definitely an economic force. I think this was the largest group of people, elected leaders across multiple organizations and private companies, to just show how together the Inland Empire is.
The most important part of the evening is really deepening those relationships that are required so that our communities can thrive.
What stood out this year, I think, was really the focus on leadership.
No matter who the speaker is at General Assembly, I've always been able to take away key points that help with leadership.
We were able to hear from a pivotal leader in sports.
There's a lot of parallels between sports, local government, and leadership.
One of the things that makes great leadership, they make people they're around and situations they're a part of better. There's people in this room that are checking both those boxes.
What Coach McVay drove home is that no one can do anything alone.
You want to identify people that have differences, but they're similar passions. We're all striving to achieve certain things. We're going to keep each other accountable.
Our theme is governing together. We definitely emphasize that in every speaker, in every comment, in every speech. Leadership, but also the people are what matter.
I highly recommend that you make it a point to put the General Assembly on your calendar.
It was a really fun event, and we'll definitely be back.
We can go fast. Together, we can go far.